for the interim belt. Mырзабекov in the blue corner and green trunks, and Abdurakov in the red corner, red trunks. Slight height and reach advantage for Mырзабekov. This is for the interim. Oh, good right hand landed straight away. Chooses that to close the distance. He cut me off there. I was about to say this is for the interim belt. The current champion is Abdul. Oh! He's on his entire AC to try one star. This is it. This is it. He's out. He is out. Oh my God. What a finish. This young man is an absolute superstar. How quick was that? Wow. Unbelievable. What a performance by this young man. I didn't even get to say half the things I wanted to say. He cut me off. And now he's gonna have to unify the belt with Makayev. I'm looking forward to that one. This kid is on a different level. You saw it as jumps on the back. Literally the fight just started, gets in there. Hard, he just literally muscles it and he's tight, puts him asleep. Slips it underneath the neck, and that is all she wrote. Take a bow, young man. Take a bow. That is one impressive performance. He made that look so easy. Handing Abdurrakov his second professional loss in his career. And that was in devastating fashion as well. The first man to finish him as well.
Рефери поединка Дмитрий Валерьевич объявил остановку боя через 33 секунды первого раунда. Ladies and gentlemen, your referee in charge, Dmitry Alexeyevich, calls stop this contest at 33 seconds of the very first round. Удушающим приемом одержал победу и стал временным чемпионом мира ACA в полусреднем весе. Your winner by submission victory and new interim welterweight champion of the world, Mырзабekov.